I just got in a fight with one of my family members, and I don't know him. Just Kiana, because I'm like, alright, I have to get under my blanket because all she does. But she won't know I need to look at her when she got. By the way, she's 11. She was playing, but she cries. I'm like, oh, Jesus. She's coming.
Look.
Get on your blanket. Get out.
Get out.
You're not supposed to eat it. I gave them a trick. And the trick really worked. Wait, is the camera still on? If you want to know, I need some. Sassy, moody, So soapy. Also, why you make them blue? What's your hand? Looks like a. So, I have to make this. Have to get soap and a duck kind. No reason. If you want a duck kind, you have to use it. If you don't want it to get fluffy. I'll see you in my next video. Right now, I think I just should go get lunch. Slasher, moody, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Oh, I forgot to, bye.